Today, we're diving right into the ultimate underarm glow-up routine. Say goodbye to dark patches, tan, odor, and unwanted hair in just a few steps. Ready to get started? Step 1. Hair Removal Prep. First things first, let's remove any hair, as it's best to start with a smooth, clean base. To keep this natural, here's an easy DIY wax recipe that's gentler than regular wax, but super effective. DIY wax recipe. In a saucepan, mix 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water. Heat the mixture on medium, stirring until it turns a golden brown color and becomes thick. Let it cool slightly. Then apply a thin layer to the armpits and pull off gently in the direction of hair growth. Use baby powder before applying the wax. It absorbs moisture and helps the wax grip the hair better. Step 2. Gentle exfoliation. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and any stubborn tan. Here's a simple homemade exfoliator. Exfoliator recipe. Mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and a few drops of lemon juice. Gently massage this onto your armpits in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse with warm water. This scrub is not only great for tan removal, but also hydrates and softens the skin. Step 3. Armpits whitening. Dark patches are super common, but this natural whitening remedy can help brighten things up. Whitening remedy. Combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply this mixture as a mask to your armpits and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Repeat this remedy 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice a difference in just a few weeks. Step 4. Odor control. Now let's get rid of any odor. For a quick and effective solution, try this apple cider vinegar spray. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spritz a small amount on a cotton pad and swipe it under each arm. This controls odor-causing bacteria without any harsh chemicals. Step 5. Homemade deodorant. For an all-natural deodorant that works and keeps your armpits fresh all day, here's a simple recipe. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance. Apply a small amount to your armpits, and you're all set. Keep this in a cool, dry place. Coconut oil can melt if it gets too warm. That's it. By following this complete routine, waxing, exfoliating, whitening, controlling odor, and using a homemade deodorant, you'll have soft, bright, and fresh underarms in no time. Try these steps and get ready to show off those smooth, beautiful underarms with confidence.